Back, 100K challenge. We have a pressure washing job that Anthony landed yesterday.
Yeah, you know what it is. Big dog, aka Big Salesman.
Yes, sir.
So the job for yesterday is going to be $375 on top of what we already had was $250.
Cool. All right, so we'll add that up. All right, guys, so stop and get the gas. Make sure you're fueled up, right? So put the gas in the truck. We'll put the gas in the tank right here. The pressure washer. And we're gonna go pick up the flyers. Let's go. All right, time to get these flyers. Investments. We are out here now, going to start door knocking. We have a job booked at 1 o'clock. It's currently 11 o'clock right now, so we're gonna knock around the area. We got these flyers, and I mean, what do you think about them?
I think they're working. You know, we got 2 quotes right now. So
2 quotes.
And stripper.
Look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and quote this job right now, and then go from there, and then we're gonna head to our pressure washing job after this. So let's go. Just got to the job. Customer there. About to get started. Taking out the hoses, setting everything up. Trying to get done with this between an hour and a half, so we can get back out to the doors. Grind to 100K. Let's go. All right, y'all, so just finished up this driveway. Anthony just got another job. So we're gonna head over there now. We got some video for you. Let's put that right there. So now we're gonna go ahead, get that job complete right after here, and we'll add that to the total as well. So let's head out.
Now, update for the 100K challenge here. This job, we literally just got done doing another job, which was Ram. Then this job that we just got is 400. So we're gonna add that to the total and show you guys what we're doing. Keep grinding, keep going. You can do it too.
Woo! How you feel, Brody?
Man, it's a long day. As you see, it's pitch black. You can barely see me.
It's cold out here too. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like
6:53 right now.
It's 7 o'clock p.m. We just finished up 2 jobs. We got a long. We got 100 days. So let's do it, bro.
Let's go.
All right, man. Look, it's cold. We got the trailer.